Hello guys, here I am at the Kubwa train station. Yeah, this is a very good development here. You see, the train station actually looks like an airport, maybe a mini airport. Here I am with my friend Linda. Linda, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so I will show you guys around the train station. It's actually route from Abuja down to Kaduna, and I really hope the government can do something more, to extend to other parts of the state so that movement can be very, free, comfortable, and it's very affordable. So I'll show you guys some other places. There's the VIP entrance and the regular entrance for passengers. Yeah, here's the regular. I apologize for the low quality of the video. I actually used my phone and the light was not sufficient for me to capture the footage to people. And here is the waiting area for the train to come after you must have been checked in. This is the area where you stay to wait for the train to arrive from Idu. Yeah, and here is actually the train rail. The train comes from Idu Yard down here to pick passengers that are here waiting, that have been checked in already. And here comes the train and passengers are boarding. And here is inside the train. It looks nice, right? Yeah, it looks nice. It looks like it's a plane. Yeah, so one would even mistake it for a plane if you take it to the plane. There's a restroom inside to feel comfortable when you are pressed, and they sell snacks, drinks. Here I am trying to fit in and settle down to and taking some selfies. Ooh, there we go to KD Kaduna. See you. Thank you for watching.